Okay, it's time to get everybody out. Put that there. Oh, I forgot Earl's water. Kind of going to give up on giving Earl the bowl I usually put up there with his Barbie dream house. You good bird? Did you just boy when I went to town? It's almost time. Because he just keeps going after Buster's. I was gentle, Auntie Amanda. So I just made him a bowl here, and I got it down here on the ground. I'm hoping that helps keep him occupied and happy. On the floor, and I have put his the balls that, you know, he likes to play with those and roll them around. I'll do a close-up here in just a second. Percy's heading into my room to get some time out of his cage. Here you go, Percy. I'm going to close the door just for now until I get Bus out. And okay. Here. Oh, there's one ball down. I knew that was going to happen. Yep. Yep, I knew you were going to do that. I tried to find you some other stuff for the little house that I put in there for you, Earl. At the Goodwill. I'm not a jerk. Goodwill didn't have anything. You bite? Do you want to bite? Actually did a really good clean in their room this morning. I normally do that kind of stuff in the evening. Typically when I decide to do, well, it was this whole area, and I changed some stuff around for Earl. Normally when I do that, I do a video on it, but I didn't have my phone set up and everything, so I didn't do it. Let me get Bus's water and food. Let me move this up and I'll show you. When I set up Earl's food bowl, I had to step back in this area and I stepped on it and spilled it everywhere. I had to clean after I just swept and mopped everything in here. But I moved his dream house. I put a little plastic thing that I had over there with Soccer Barbie #1, because he has 2 of them that a fan sent him. And I moved this, which I'm worried he's going to probably be knocking this over, but I might try to find a way to like stabilize it over here. Fart Ninja's here, of course. And then I put all his balls there. He's already knocked a couple down. So funny, huh, Earl? There we go. There we go. I think you guys can see both of them. But this is what I do when I let them out in the mornings. You want to bite? Got you an almond. Here, you want to bite an almond? I pulled up the tray out. I used to do that when I first got them. I don't know. Thanks, Earl. I don't know what happened, but when I bought this new to us cage for him, I quit doing that. And then I was watching Coco, Lucky, Lou, and Coco too, and I saw she had some trays pulled out. I was like, I used to do that. Why did I stop? So I started doing that again. But no matter how hard I try, he will poop on the end of that. And I have to clean it up. And I've also gotten to where I have to put papers around this cage that him and Dad built that he wants to play on. Hoo-ha, I'm not a jerk, girl. How about that? Did you just say, do you want to bet? Because I bet you I'm not a jerk. Buster, I gotta just get him some regular water because his batteries are dead in his sink. Want a bite? Let me check Earl's water. I think it's okay. Can he see you? You want to get out? Are you ready? You gonna step up? He's like, H to the no, no, no. Let me go do a good wash of my hands. Door handles off too. Here, I forgot. You want some cheese? I gave you a piece of cheese this morning. You wouldn't eat it. No. I sprayed Don. And that's, I don't know if you guys can see him because he's down low, but he was coming after me because I sprayed and I'm cleaning. So, let me grab this real quick. Buster, be nice. The thing, thanks, I forgot to clean up here. He has a lot of seed That's Percy's, some of his leftovers. So I keep the dog bowls up here too. Sometimes Buster will throw their dog food out, but I keep a little bit of seed in here. You eating? I'm surprised you're not soaking that in the water. Go soak that in your water, buddy. So, but here's Earl's new crib. What do you think? What do you think? I worked really hard. It's not very nice. Amanda had sent him this little house a long time ago when I was still in search of a new Barbie dream house, and he didn't really play with it, but I think if I find some little, like, the cat toy balls, that might help. And then I gave him, I'm hoping this keeps him out of Buster's stuff. We'll see, right? I'd really like to have a better day than I did yesterday. But I gotta be honest, it's a new moon or something, because today has not been great. It'll get better, right, Earl? Is it gonna get better? Okay. Buster's eating. So cute. Say bye.